A dust storm. I bring my focus to you, weary from earlier travels. And even though I know materials support me, the pattern makes its presence known. I allow your words to tumble about, fall around, materials abandoned, in preference to my old faithful. If I interrupt you, that I am letting you down. The wind picks up pace, wilder, wilder, it tugs us about. I hear you have let them down, and the storm continues to push, pull. Reaching an anchor, we both hunker down, pausing, breathing, being. We made it through, seeing a glimmer of light to follow.